Exploring Auto Unwrap in Substance Painter. What is Unwrap and why we do need it? Simply put, it ensures that textures are properly and neatly applied to a 3D model. Additionally, it is essential for pairing a model for texturing in software like Substance Painter, but can Auto Unwrap in Substance Painter make our workflow faster and easier? Let's find out. Hello friend, I'm Ali Zalnejad and this is Studio Z. Today we dive into Auto Unwrap in Substance Painter to see how useful it really is. Let's find out. Go to File, New to create a new project. Select the model, which in this case is a helmet. After choose a template, enable Auto Unwrap option and go to Setting. This option completely recalculates everything, from defining seam line to packing textures. There is another option that only fixes missing or incomplete UVs. And this option, layout customization. Margin size, we chose the set the UV spacing to small. And another one, UV slant orientation, we chose default. By default, the software's algorithm determines the cluster orientation. There is also an option to align clusters based on the model shape, which might yield better result in some cases. We chose the first option. Click OK and the unwrapping process begins. As you can see, the unwrap is done quickly. It may not be 100% accurate, but it significantly speeds up the workflow. We choose a color and add a generator. They chose UV checker. As you can see, it's very interesting. Currently, this method works best for organic models, and we hope future updates improve its accuracy. The original import file is not usable as is. To export, go to File, Export Mesh and save the modified model. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget like, comment and subscribe to stay updated with our new content.